Hey everybody, it's threatening rain today, but so far I haven't seen any. But I sure am glad that I went to the blessing yesterday up in Baldwin to the festival and didn't wait until today or spend the night because it stormed like crazy last night, and I'm just out getting a little bit of wind today and avoiding the rain, but I'll be going home soon. Well, here's my bike again. A little dirty because all the riding I did yesterday. That happens. I do like to keep her clean, but I love to ride her. But half the fun of having a bike is keeping up on it too. I don't particularly care for a breakdown if I would have one, but I do love the maintenance and cleaning, polishing, stuff like that. So, a beautiful place I'm at right now. Not far from home, but anyway, just wanted to check in, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good weekend, everybody. Bye for now.